Today is a boring day here in Home Depot. Why? Because there is nothing to do but shop for some hardware items here in this home improvement store. What should I do to not get bored? I have an idea. Since I hate these refrigerators here in Home Depot because they are worthless, I am going to blow them up with a bomb. Yeah, that is what I should do. Ha 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 ha. Yes, I blew up the refrigerators with a bomb here in Home Depot. Take that, you piece of shit refrigerators.
Hey! What's going on over here? I heard a loud explosion while I was working in my office. Oh. Shit. What happened to the refrigerators here in Home Depot? They're all blown up into pieces. Like, who would blow up these refrigerators here in this home improvement store? Wait a minute. I think I know who blew up these refrigerators here in Home Depot. Hey! Alice from Alice's Wonderland Bakery.
Uh-oh, it looks like Justin isn't happy with me right now. I am going to be in big trouble now.
You're damn right you're going to be in big trouble now. And Alice from Alice's Wonderland Bakery. These refrigerators in Home Depot were in perfect condition, and now they're all blown up into pieces. Did you have something to do with them? Tell me the truth now.
Well, Justin, to tell you the truth, yes, I did have something to do with it. I was the one who blew up these refrigerators here in Home Depot with a bomb. I only did that because I hated these refrigerators because they are worthless.
You did what? Oh my god. Alice from Alice's Wonderland Bakery. What the fuck were you thinking? I cannot believe you blew up these refrigerators with a bomb here in Home Depot. These refrigerators costed $2,000 each. And you decided to blow them up with a bomb. Really? And also, you should know that blowing up refrigerators with a bomb in a home improvement store is a serious crime, and you can get sent to prison for that act. Plus, you could have blown up the whole store by doing that, and now we have to pay a lot of money to get new refrigerators for Home Depot thanks to you, and it's gonna take a very long time to do so. That's it, you little shit. You will be banned from visiting this Home Depot location for a month. And I will be calling Hattie, Fergie, and Dinah about what you did. Now get out of this home improvement store before I call the police on you. Now get.
What the fuck were you thinking, Alice from Alice's Wonderland Bakery? What gave you the right to blow up the refrigerators with a bomb at Home Depot, huh? You should realize that those refrigerators at Home Depot costed $2,000 each. You decided to blow them up? Really? And also, you should know that blowing up refrigerators with a bomb at a home improvement store is a serious crime, and you can get sent to prison for that act.
Hattie is right, Alice from Alice's Wonderland Bakery. And plus, you could have blown up the whole store by doing that. And now we have to pay a lot of money to get new refrigerators for Home Depot thanks to you, and it's gonna take a very long time to do so.
What?